I left Seville yesterday. A few days ago I posted a little video. I had an accident. It's all good now. I hit my shoulder, my hip and my knee. And yesterday was the first day. I pushed a little bit and yeah, my knee hurts a little bit. But other than that, it's all good. I was able to replace the Revele design bag that had a cut. I need to replace my Orthrep bags because they had a little cuts, but I put some patches and yeah, it's all good. Hopefully the insurance of the woman will pay everything. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update. Thank you very much to everybody that sent some messages. One thing that I damaged that is not replaceable is the front rack. This, especially this side, got bended inwards. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's supposed to be in line with the fork, so it should be like around here, and now it's there. So, and you can see better here that there is more space, and here there is no space. That was made by Daniele, reframe steel, and it's basically replaceable because also he needs the bike to make it. So that's another thing for another day. I'm in Matalascañas, the city is on my right. It's actually much bigger than I thought. It's quite big. And I'm staying on the edge of town because I need to get to the far end anyway. But I will have to stop at a supermarket at some point. I'm about to cross Doñana. You can cross by bike. The low tide started at 12. It reached the lowest point at 12. So now for the next 4 hours, it will start to grow. 6 hours, I think. But let's say I have 4 hours where I have enough space to cycle. So it's 1:30. I lost 1 hour and a half, but yeah, whatever. I lowered the pressure of my tires. It's about like 10-12 psi. Let's keep going. I'm gonna push down the bike till well the sand is more wet, and then I can cycle it. The guy that told me the low tide was at 12, he said that you only need to go a kilometer and a half, and then you have much more space. So I will need 3 hours, and I have at least 4 hours to cross it, so plenty of time. Almejas, clams. They harvest clams. Actually, I can go faster here, close to the water, 15-16 kilometers per hour. It's okay, it's raining. It's only a bit of water, and it's hot. I don't even have to put on my rain gear if it doesn't rain too much. I think it stopped raining.
We could have been like donuts and coffee. I got a headache from all this caffeine. You're a dirty, dirty taste in my mouth that I can't get out.
And the water starts to get higher and higher.
Feeling expired. You don't melt me anymore. Tell me aching for something more. I'm hungry. Why did you say you love me? How dare you?
The tough sand of the beach is gone now. I have to cycle in the soft part, and sometimes it's really soft and I struggle. It's not too far now. Let's say 5 or 6 kilometers. Very tough going. Very tough going. It's all good. There are other people on this side. Buena. Aquí se busca la barcaza.
Sí, aquí.
¿A qué hora es?
La última es hasta las 8:30.
Goodbye, Doñana. We're on the ferry, the barcaza, the most expensive ferry in the world. 8 euros. 8 fucking euros for this. When I saw it, I thought I would swim across. Officially leaving Sanlúcar de Barrameda, and I'm not sure where to go. I think that's cotton. That's how cotton looks like. That's the seeds, I think. There's not much hiding here. Buenos dias. Last night it rained a bit, yeah. It's all sandy. Yeah. Next to a cotton field. Very nice and relaxing night. I'm outside a naval base. Navy base. Navale in Spanish. And yeah, Jerez de la Frontera is there. And Cadiz is over there. So I think I will go to Cadiz today and then continue south. On the road. See lots of cotton fields. There are 2 bridges to get to Cadiz. That is just an island. You might see some of the buildings over there, but I need to do like 30 kilometers go around because they say that these bridges you cannot go with the bicycle. Jesus. Instead of like, I don't know, 10 kilometers, I have to do almost 40. See, the bridge is over there. How far can it be, you know? It's very annoying. It's probably like 2-3 kilometers away. Look at this, there are chickens in the park. Whatever. Arriva, arriva, arriva gallinero. There are hundreds and hundreds of chickens. Getting closer to Cadiz. Getting closer and closer. Slow entry into Cadiz. Back. I've seen a place where I can camp, I think. I guess that's it. Adios, Cadiz. Very nice and beautiful sunset. I'm cycling out of Cadiz, but I was on the other side and I arrived to this restaurant, and that's the last thing that there is. Then there is basically you cannot continue. There are some dunes that are fenced off, and then there is a giant beach. But there wasn't like an option to camp that wasn't sketchy. The place where I wanted to spend the night is a no-go, because apparently it's a place where people go to shag their girlfriends in the car. So that's it. So now I need to cross this city, but judging from the map, there isn't many options to camp even when I go past this little city. So I don't know if I just need to find a place to camp around here. Almost crossed the city. Up, up. Oh, there is a concert. Flamenco. Look at this fucking guy. He parked on the bike lane. Going through another city. I can't see much, to be honest. There is an empty space here. There is a river, obviously. Buenos dias. It took a while last night, but I did found a kind of a forest area where to camp and get out of the swamps of Cadiz. It was nice and dry, but yeah, it took too long. Punto Mágico, La Espartosa, este mar de copa verdes, a sea of green cups. It's quite big, these how do you call it, forest, bosco, but it goes and goes to those hills. I think it's not wide, it's kind of narrow, but it's quite long, and thank God there was this field, because yeah, otherwise I didn't know where to camp. And now I'm off to Conil de la Frontera, where there is one guy that follows me on Instagram, an Italian guy that lives there. He has a gelato, an Italian ice cream place, so hopefully I can get some good gelato now. Seems like it starts raining. Very Andalusian picture. 15 kilometers from gelato. Nice sandy trucks. La Melimone. This is my place.
Sound, that sweet, sweet sound.